Hello there and welcome to the walk around video of the BMW 5 Series here at Your Next Car. So I'll give you a little walk around the outside of the vehicle and then I'll talk to you some of the optional extras and features on the interior. So of course, starting with the outside, where you'll see that we fitted the Your Next Car Performance Kit, which is fitted all in-house here. On this particular 5 Series we've gone for the gloss black front split, so gloss black kidney grille. It also benefits from having the stunning BMW Angel Line xenon headlamps. Moving to the side where we've fitted the G30 Performance alloy wheels. These wheels are all brand new with brand new tyres. Down the side we've got the gloss black air vent for the front brakes. We've also got the gloss black sidebars, satin side vinyls and then performance decals. It benefits from having the privacy glass. On the interior we have the black Dakota leather, which in the front has got the half electric adjustment. It is also heated in the front. We have the Sublime Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7's audio system. On the 5 Series you get the lovely adjustable ambient lighting, and we'll get into the interior details in a bit more depth in just a moment. Moving to the rear, where of course we get the Isofix ready rear bench. Another option on this particular model is the M Sport sill plates. Moving round to the very back, where we've got the gloss black rear diffuser. Boot space on the 5 Series is Sublime. This is of course the X-Drive model, so that's BMW's superb X-Drive 4-wheel drive system. A nice side profile view of the vehicle, and again give you a look at the stunning brand new alloys that have just been fitted to the vehicle. Okay, so we're now going to climb on into the interior and just show you a little bit of the extras that we have. One big feature of this vehicle is the head-up display, which I'll give you a little demonstration of just now. So as you can see there, the head-up display will display obviously speed. It'll also display route by route guidance if you've got a sat-nav route set, so turn by turn directions. It'll also bring up warning messages, i.e. screen wash level low, outside temperature warnings and other warning levels, other warning notifications should they be required. Rear, of course, we've got the multifunction M Sport steering wheel. We've got the Sport gearbox with the paddle shift. We've got the professional wide navigation and media, which is all touchscreen on the 5 Series. As you can see there, so we can slide on through. We've got the latest connected drive software on this version, so we've got the online search functions, Bluetooth communications and media. It's also got the screen mirroring function on this, so anything your phone produces it can mirror that, i.e. Google Maps, very useful for that function, and any media that you want playing from your phone, i.e. Spotify, any apps like that, it will screen mirror that to this screen. Media wise, you of course have got DAB and other wide array of multimedia inputs as well. All in all, an exceptionally clean and tidy vehicle with some lovely optional extras. The vehicle itself has covered just over 61,000. Okay, so that's pretty much going to finish off the little walk around video for the 520D X-Drive here at Your Next Car. We of course hope you found the video useful, but most of all we do hope to see you very soon here at Your Next Car. Thank you very much for watching, take care and goodbye.